from us. So it's kind of pretty. So Mandeville pretty and so. Yeah.
Hey kitchen gangers, how y'all doing? Welcome to Moya Moy's kitchen where cooking is love made edible.
So for today guys, we're heading to the turf, DITURF in Mandeville. So journey on with us guys. We're here guys. We're at the turf. I thought it was the turf, but it is the turf. Alrighty, let's go.
The menu, the food menu will be upgraded, alright? So you can come and have it. Nice, lovely shrimp fish or coconut curry shrimp lobster and something. So make it in France and then come alright?
Alright, thank you.
Alright, what's the YouTube name?
So Moya Moy's kitchen.
Moy Moy?
Moya Moy's kitchen.
Moya Moy kitchen.
Yeah. Thank you. So guys, we're here and we're liking it so far and we're about to check out our menu and I'll show you what it's looking like in a few, so yeah. To my football fans out there, guys, tell us what's your favorite team. Is it Barcelona? Is it Liverpool?
Real Madrid, Manchester United.
Tell us guys, tell us your team, your football team.
Because it's a football kind of vibe.
Yes.
So, it's time to choose from our beer mugs.
Game time. Hi.
Big baller, got my Benzema. Big baller, got my Benzema.
So this is another spontaneous trip, guys, in Mandeville, of course, and we're liking it so far.
I mean, I've been meaning to come here a long time. Remember the thing about
Oh, they here, so many things said the next one.
But we did think around. Yeah.
guys, we're ready to dive in. Alright, let's go. We're here trying to find we're here trying to find our little motivation, because you know we still have to leave our little nuggets here and there every week.
I just want to add, today was just a quick day. This was supposed to be lunch.
Yes.
Like we just decided that we'll do lunch, do a video, so you know we kinda step on the road and
Yeah.
go on. We're gonna find a word nevertheless.
So, see guys, we have a word for you, and for today we just want to remind you the importance of a support system, a great support system at that. Go ahead, Rain.
Yeah, so you'll need persons around you who will push you to be your best self. And sometimes we have to be in some uncomfortable positions to even realize that these people really mean us good. So you see, find your little group, those persons that you and them have the same interests. They're interested in pushing you forward, helping you to grow, and all of that good stuff. Yeah.
I mean, some of the times we have persons in our space that is very toxic, who gives no value to our space, and after time, and tell me, trust me, time will eventually get rid of them. You don't have to do much to get rid of those persons. So in the meantime, search for those persons who are going to bring value to your life, who, if you're going through something, you can always talk to them.
And
Go
also,
ahead.
not to cut you, but it's just wanting better for
Yes.
yourself. You first, you have to want better for yourself,
Yeah.
so you can know the type of people you want around you, the kind of energy. Can you see energy? Let me tell you about energy. Energy is very important.
Yes,
I'm telling you. So find that kind of group, that kind of people who can carry you. Because there are days when we can't carry ourselves. You know?
True.
We can't carry ourselves.
And we just need that word,
you
and that
need
person they
somebody,
just come.
and so find that kind of support system. The key is finding the support system.
Yes.
That's what we want to
Yes.
do with you
Yes.
today.
Yes. So, guys, that's it. I hope you're encouraged by our word today. Find a support system, and 2021 is about self-growth and self-care and maintaining, you know,
Wanting better
for ourselves. But yes, guys, that's it from us. So is Sky pretty? So Mandeville pretty, and so yeah. On Miss Kitty show yesterday, people were saying which parish is the best, and majority of the person chose between Manchester and St. Elizabeth. I mean, for me, it's Kingston.
Yeah, let me tell you, I will not diss Manchester because
It's true.
this is where I'm from. And
Yeah.
me I tell you, when you be in Mandeville, it's a different kind of order here.
I'm telling you.
It's an orderly place. But I'm a kind of city girl now. Me like the fast
Me
life.
too.
Like it is so much easier to get things done
Yeah.
in that kind of space. So yeah, me like Kingston, but Mandeville.
Big up yourself, Mandeville. But yes, guys, that's it from us. So guys, we have completed our little visit at the turf in Mandeville, and I must say it was very good. There are new spots, and I would say if you are looking for a chill spot, it's very good after work vibe. If you're a sport person, then that's a great place to stop also. As it relates to the food, I would give it probably an 8 out of 10. It wasn't anything out of the norm that we ordered, so I mean it was fairly good. I love the service that they offer. The server was very friendly, and she assisted us with choosing the meal. It was a nice day. I really enjoyed my stay there. How about you, Renee?
Well, Moya said it all, but I'll just add my 2 cents. Yeah, a very nice chill spot. So if you're into sport, as Lamoya said, you can go there, hang out, watch the games, because it's really like a game theme kind of lounge. So it's just a great vibe there. The server, she was great, very kind, very friendly. Food, 8 out of 10 as well. They're new, so we give them time to adjust, you know, to get to. And as Moya said, it was just the basic stuff like wings and wraps, so we were just trying them out. And they're saying they're coming with a new menu in 2 weeks
from now. Yeah.
So you can stop by there and tell us what you think of it.
Yes.
Mandeville.
Mandeville.
We left, but we had to go and get Burger King, so we are in.
Hence she's not a part of the review, but guys, I think she would share the same sentiments as us. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining in, and if you have not done so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Tell us where next you'd like to see us. We're coming up with some great ideas and stuff, so just stay tuned with us. But until then, goodbye.